Hi guys, today I have Samsung Galaxy A15 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limit on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must go to the settings, in it connections, and there data usage, and there we have our size and data warming. Now in the first step we can start buying size on and set each day of each month when our size start. It can be first day of each month, confirm all by set, and now we can turn on and turn off, set data warming and set how many gigabyte we want data warming. It can be 2 gigabytes or megabytes, what you want. And the last function we can turn on, turn off, set data limit, and there we can set to in gigabytes and megabytes how many we want. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!